Welcome back to Nature's Waterworks, How Lakes and Rivers Function. This is part 4 of 7, Surface and Groundwater Interactions. I'm Robert Holmberg. I'm a member of Science Outreach Athabasca. So this is an outline of the 3 other presentations covered previously and the 3 other ones after this presentation. So there's a major amount of interaction between surface water and groundwater. So when the water table is high, there's a lot of water flowing from ground water into the surface. And when the precipitation is low, there's a lot of water going from the surface water into the groundwater. So if you have rivers, sometimes, as in this one in Florida, the river flows into an underground passage and then disappears from the surface and is underground. And as we all know, when you have running water, it causes erosion of various amounts. So this water can cause surface collapses. And these surface collapses can cause extensive property damage. I would not buy this home. But the causes of these surface collapses, they're caused by water, but they can be by broken water mains or sewage pipes. And they can be from mining operations, making cavities and water flowing or not flowing and lowering of water tables. So the surface can collapse. There's pressure pumping can be involved, and then naturally occurring sinkholes, and we're going to deal with sinkholes. So the sinkholes are found in areas of calcareous rock, and 13% of the land surface is with karst terrain. So it's got limestone, dolomite, and gypsum, and this is karst geology creates sinkholes and caves. And this is because these kinds of rocks are fairly easily dissolved by carbonic acid. Carbonic acid comes from carbon dioxide in the air and water. And if there's any cracking involved with it as well, the water tends to flow down the cracks and will cause the rock material to dissolve and be carried away. And then you form cavities of various kinds. So you can get sinkholes, or you can have caves. And the caves can be dry, as shown in the middle of this diagram, or they can be completely submerged in the saturated zone. So most cave systems are formed in karst geology, and they then form these underground rivers and lakes. But you can form also sinkholes, and as I said, they can cause considerable damage. This is a medium-sized one. This is a larger one that's involving a football field, and you can see the farmhouse is just on the edge of it. And they can be very deep, and you can see how deep this is by looking at the forest trees at the top of the picture to show the depth. And they can also be found in the ocean, and these would normally have been formed on land, but then the ocean rises and they form these deep blue holes in the ocean. So that's the end of this very short section. The next one will be on classification of water bodies. Thank you.